Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this vertical portable laptop docking station that I think it's super good. This brand sent it to me for the video. I tried it already, and I have to say that this one could be really good for like a home office setup. For a home office setup would be really good if you need to save some space, because this one will work with both Apple and Windows computers. So you can actually use this one and put your vertical laptop right here, actually your laptop in vertical mode right here, close it and use an external monitor, a portable monitor, like a TV, for example, if you want, because this one also comes packed with many features that I'm going to show you in a few seconds, but the 4K 60 Hertz. So that's actually really good also for gaming, if you're a laptop gamer. So you can actually put your laptop in here, close in vertical mode, and actually use your monitor and use it in 4K 60 Hertz. So that's actually pretty good. Let's actually take a closer look. So here you're gonna find that this one is the actual docking station. It is quite heavy, I have to say, but that's actually really good because it's gonna actually withstand the weight of your laptop. This one right here, you're gonna find that comes, yeah, check it there. Just check this out. This is super, super good. It comes with kind of like this rubber pad right here, the silicone pad over here. So it will extend to the size of your laptop and it won't fall. Here on the side, you're going to find a slot for an SD card and a micro SD card. And then right here on the other side, you're going to find two 10 gigabyte USB-C ports. And here's the main curse right here. You're going to find the USB port right here, the USB-C port for the host, the PD. So this one is also going to provide fast charging, the 4K 60 Hertz HDMI port, an Ethernet cable in case that you want to have like a wired connection and not just Wi-Fi. And then you're going to find two 5 gigabytes USB-A ports. And this right here, you're going to be able to use this little screwdriver in case that you want to use an SSD slot right here. You can actually put right here, take this screw out and connect an SSD hard drive right here. So I'll show you the connection in a few seconds, but here you can see that I have my laptop open. It is connected via USB-C and the Lightning port to the actual docking station. And I also have the portable monitor connected to the docking station via the HDMI. So both things are working perfectly, just like a bridge, like a connection bridge. But the connection, you can see it right here that I have the host, which is the laptop connected to the USB-C port to the host. This is the power cable that connects to a power outlet to the docking station. And this is the HDMI that is connected to the portable monitor. Everything is open right here, but you can see that this one is now closed and the monitor is still on. So that's actually a behavior that you need to change on the settings on your main computer. You gotta change what closing the lid does. In this example, I put do nothing. So when closing the lid, the power will still be delivered to the portable monitor and the image as well. So I can have this one closed and actually have a monitor, like a regular monitor or just a portable monitor connected with image, and I can use this as a space saver setting right here with the docking station. So if you want 4K 60 Hz, if you want USB-C ports for charging devices or connecting other devices, if you want fast data transfers, USB-A's, and also a slot for an SSD drive over there, and also the connectivity for internet connection, wired internet connection, and SD card readers, this docking station could be really, really good and also will save you some space as well. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.